Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at the 2026 Honda HR-V, a compact crossover that's been redesigned to feel more mature, more useful, and closer to what buyers expect from a small SUV in 2026. From the moment you walk up to it, you notice the cleaner, more sculpted lines. The front end is sharper but subtle, the headlights tuck into a wide grille, and the proportions feel balanced rather than bubbly. A design that makes the HR-V look modern and refined while keeping compact dimensions for easy city driving. The cabin follows the same theme. Materials feel upgraded in higher trims, the dashboard is uncluttered, and the touchscreen is positioned for easy reach and visibility. Under the hood, Honda keeps things simple and reliable with a 2.0-liter iVTEC 4-cylinder engine that produces around 158 horsepower and 138 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a CVT transmission tuned for smoothness and fuel efficiency. You can opt for real-time AWD for extra traction in wet or rough conditions. The HR-V isn't built for sporty driving, but for most daily drivers, it offers predictable power and comfort with excellent fuel economy. On the road, the HR-V feels composed and confident. The steering is light for easy parking, but firms up at higher speeds. The suspension handles bumps and rough roads smoothly, providing a calm ride. The CVT can make the engine sound steady under hard acceleration, but in normal driving, it's quiet and relaxed. Inside, the HR-V is one of the most practical compact SUVs in its class. The layout is smart and functional, with a raised center console, deep storage compartments, and spacious rear seats with good legroom. The rear seats fold flat to create a large cargo area, making it easy to carry everything from luggage to sports gear. The available 9-inch touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect your phone without any cables. Physical knobs for climate control make adjustments simple while driving. Safety remains one of Honda's strongest points. Every 2026 HR-V includes the Honda Sensing Suite: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These features make driving easier and safer, especially on long trips or in heavy traffic. Practicality is another highlight. The HR-V offers generous cargo space once the rear seats are folded. Its cabin is filled with useful storage spots and thoughtful touches like wide door openings and a flat load floor. While it's not built for towing, it's perfect for families, commuters, and city drivers. Technology inside the HR-V is simple and reliable. The infotainment system is responsive, and the available digital display provides clear driving information. It's not overloaded with features. Honda focuses on ease of use and minimal distraction. In terms of pricing, the 2026 HR-V remains competitive. Base trims start in the mid-$20,000 range, while top trims can reach the low $30,000s, depending on options like all-wheel drive and premium packages. It's a strong value considering the reliability, build quality, and safety you get with the Honda badge. So, who is the HR-V for? It's designed for people who want a compact SUV that's easy to drive, easy to park, and easy to own. It's not a performance car, but it's dependable, efficient, and comfortable. Perfect for small families, daily commuters, and anyone looking for a stylish and sensible crossover. If there's room for improvement, it would be in engine performance and more advanced interior tech. Some rivals offer turbocharged engines or hybrid options for extra efficiency and power, so that's something Honda may bring in future versions. In short, the 2026 Honda HR-V is a smart, reliable, and well-rounded crossover. It doesn't try to be flashy. It focuses on doing everything a compact SUV should do and doing it well. If you value practicality, safety, and comfort, the HR-V is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review, hit like and subscribe for more car breakdowns. Let me know in the comments which feature of the new HR-V impressed you most and which SUV you'd like me to compare it with next. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.